So this is the one I really want. And I think it's this price. They also sell these. The funny little packages like this. I'm not sure which one I want. Then you're gonna get the spray. Okay, so you will need your tile, the fabric cushion that will be going underneath the tile, just so it don't scrape my table. Your spray, I have the metallic gold, shiny finish, and your glue, gloves, and your handles. The handles are already gold, but I want them to be a little bit, you know, shiny. It's like, you're just gonna use this. You're not gonna use any screws, but you can also keep the screws and put them somewhere. So let's get right to it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want the handles to be like this or like this, but I'll decide once I go and spray these outside. Take the spray, shake it up. You should make it stand up, matter of fact. That's what I should have done. Because now it's like dripping, and I don't want that. So just quickly spray. Make sure you have a mask on and gloves. Take off the paint on top of the tray, the tile. You just put a little bit on the Q-tip and just rub it, and it comes right off. See? And I'm gonna do this side. So now you're gonna flip the tile from the back side, and you're gonna put your little pads. I'm going to add all 4 just because I don't want it to ruin my coffee table. And you just peel this part off. I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me, so it's kind of a little difficult. And you're just gonna peel that sticker off and then place it there, and I'll show you how it looks. I forgot to mention, you will need a pencil just to mark where you'll be adding your, where you'll be adding your glue. Don't add too much. Make sure you clean the excess glue with a dry little Q-tip and just rub it, and it comes right off. And let it dry for about 30 minutes. I also took it outside because it started to rain, but it dried. It took about 20 minutes, but just let it sit for that 2 hours.